Hello everyone, thank you for having me today. I would like to provide you in this tutorial with a description of this PV system designed with AutoCAD. As you see in this picture, this is an electrical diagram of photovoltaic PV system. So I will provide you with a detailed description of the component and the rules within the PV system. Okay, let's start. In this PV system, we have a lot of components. Each component ensure a specific rules in this PV system. Let's start firstly with the first one, and the very important one is the PV generator. In this PV system, the PV generator which converts sunlight into electricity. In this system, the PV generator consists of up to 66 solar panels. These panels, as you see in this picture, are arranged in groups of PV modules. This string are arranged in series. So as you see, we have 3 strings. The first one, the second, and the third string. We have 3 strings in this PV system. The total panels are 66 PV panels. Okay, so then we have the combiner box. This is the combiner box in the PV system. The combiner box is principally to protect this side of the PV system. So the combiner box is composed of 3 essential components: the fuse, the surge protection devices, and finally the disconnect switches. Let's start with the fuses. So the fuses is firstly to protect each string separately. Then we have the surge protect or the surge protection devices. These are used to protect the system from over voltage due to lightning in the PV system. So this is a very important component in the PV system. And finally, we have the disconnected switches. These are used to isolate the PV array from the rest of the PV system, for example, for maintenance or for each emergency purpose. After the combiner box, we have, of course, the inverter. As you see in this picture, the inverter is used to convert direct current to alternating current. This is a very important component in the PV system. So, as you see, the DC power generated by the solar panels is converted to AC power by the inverter. So it is very crucial for transforming this DC power, which is used by the panel into the PV, the AC power. When talking about the functionality of the inverter, as I said, so the inverter is effectively to combine the total DC input, which are the 3 PV string, and convert the generated power, effectively DC power, to AC power. Okay, so let's switch to the next component, which is the grounding. Okay, this is the grounding of each part: the grounding of PV generator, the grounding of the combiner box, the grounding of the inverter, okay, and the grounding of the other part. So, as you know, of course, in each electrical diagram, the grounding system is essential for principally for safety and to ensure that in the event of a fault, electricity has a path to the ground. Okay, that can reduce the risk of electrical shocks. Okay? So after the grounding of the different parts of the PV system, we have also a AC disconnect switch. This AC disconnect switch is particularly after the inverter. So to switch the installation, okay, this is for safety feature to enable safe maintenance and protect the PV system. In the PV installation, there is a lot of standards that we have respect in the installing of the different components. For example, we can see it, these two standards which are used in generally in electrical installation. And we have also the AC distribution panel. So the converted AC power from the inverter is fed into the AC distribution panel. This panel distributes power to various loads or to the grid. Okay. Finally, we have the grid connection. So the system, the PV system, is connected to the grid as indicated by the diagram. This connection, of course, allows the system to feed excess power into the grid or draw power from the grid when needed. So this is an overall description of this PV system, which can be designed with AutoCAD. If you want to design this PV system, it's very simple. The first one is to design the different PV panels. Okay, design the first one and make copy paste of the different part to make string. Okay, to make the first string. Then copy paste of the string to have 3 string. Okay. Then make the surge protection and the inverter and connect the different components as a PV system. Thank you for having me today. If you have any question, you are welcome.